Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be recording some people doing something, so yeah. Oh, snap! Oh no! Oh! Go, Grandma! Oh, snap! The globe! Oh, with the globe!
They love you?
Oh my god. Get him! Sorry, I have a cold. Well, I think I'm starting to, but been bad all day. Oh no, don't come close though. We have to get the good stuff. That's the grandma. That's my grandma. And then that's my cousin. So, or at least I think. I don't really know.
I think you won. I think I give up.
Is taking off the glove even acceptable? Oh, where's the... Where is it? How was it?
I was horrible. I can't
How was
breathe.
it, Grandma?
I'm old. I can't do it. Ow, I'm stuck.
Oh, no!
I'm stuck.
Grandma Chantel says you can't use her name in the video. You didn't get permission.
Well, I did, so...
Help me out here. Help me out here.
It's stuck.
You didn't get permission to use me as the doctor.
Well, didn't you like it?
Ow.
How was it?
Good.
Alright, bye.
I can't even tell who won. Your hair is crazy and you look fun.
I think I lost.
You probably did.
I probably did.
You think so? That's my mom. That's my Aunt Paige. That's my Aunt Sarah. That's my dad. And then right there is my grandma. Grandma Della. That's my grandma Lori.
She told us to stop.
And that other random guy. I don't know his name. That's our first.
And we weren't even started yet. I was like, ooh. Oh, that hurt. Okay, start over. Yeah, that hurt a lot.
Man, that was a good rap of a day. My people, and I haven't filtered the day. Happy Thanksgiving though if you're actually watching this on Thanksgiving, so bye.